Clint Bennett. I'm an instructor at the physics department, Loyola Schools. I have a wife and two kids. My son studies in the Ateneo Grade School, and my daughter is still a baby. I own a Mitsubishi Lancer EX 1996 model. The car was purchased in 1996.
1996. So is that your first car, sir?
That's my second car.
Yes.
Actually, my wife purchased the car before we got married, and then we continued paying for it when we got married. Why did she choose Mitsubishi? Well, uh, the Japanese cars are reliable and affordable.
Two.
We used to take it often to our province in Nueva Vizcaya.
Do you use that to go to work, sir?
That's where I use the car. I use it to go to work 6 days a week. Uh, now that it's old, it's mostly for work.
For work.
And when we go out of town, we use the car to go to Baguio and Tagaytay during vacation. Well, vacation is important, of course, because it's our family bonding time, and of course, it's very important that we have a reliable car during that time because you have children with you. Uh, the car is used mostly for short trips anyway, just to the grocery or to the mall. Of course, we have a lot of fun in the car. We joke around, and we're usually entertained by my baby daughter.
Fishy.
With my Mitsubishi, I can go with my family to all the fun and interesting places around Metro Manila.